4-in-1 design can be used as a square table, buffet table, bi-level table, or two separate tables. Adjusts to 3 different heights, includes leveling feet. Lightweight aluminum frame. Brackets securely attach tables together. Stylish mosaic laminate top. Fits in self-contained case with handle for easy transport and storage. 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Best all-time purchase on Amazon ever. I bought these tables years ago. Just checking the camping Amazon Prime deals today to see if they are on sale. We use these tables on a regular basis. My family is not easy on stuff. They have lasted and are seriously useful at the beach, as a side table to a park-fixed barbecue, camping, events at school. The 2 rectangular tables hold the legs underside, and connect together to make a handled case. Lightweight, durable, long-lasting, extremely useful.